Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at IronFX. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. IronFX is an award-winning broker that was founded in 2010 and has over 1 million clients from more than 180 countries worldwide. There are more than 300 instruments you can trade once you've opened an account with IronFX, and they offer a variety of Forex pairs, indices, metals, commodities, futures and shares. If you are new to trading, we definitely recommend trading with IronFX because they provide plenty of helpful guides, video tutorials, research notes, podcasts, and much more. There are many account types to choose from, and you can get more out of your investments with IronFX's bonus offers. IronFX offers a user-friendly website. The menu bar can be used to easily find more information about the accounts, platforms, instruments, and tools they offer, and you can also find out more about the company's history and their awards by choosing an option under the IronFX tab. The homepage highlights information about their latest promotions and contests, the products they offer, the platforms you can use, and some other exclusive offers. If you scroll all the way down, you will find listed menus that may be easier to navigate if you can't find what you're looking for under the menu bar. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with IronFX, simply hover your cursor over the Markets tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. Or you can scroll down the homepage to the Instruments section and click on Learn More for the instrument you are interested in. You can also scroll all the way down and click on the instrument you would like to trade under the list of instruments at the bottom of the homepage. IronFX currently offers more than 300 tradable Forex pairs, indices, metals, commodities, futures, cryptocurrencies, and shares. The IronFX customer support team can be reached via email, live chat, or telephonically. You can view their contact details under the Contact Us section, and we recommend checking out their Frequently Asked Questions section for answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. You can also submit a web ticket directly from the website and request assistance if you don't have access to your emails or your phone. Customer support is available 24 hours a day. IronFX offers a 100% unlimited sharing bonus that you can use to double your first deposit, a 40% deposit booster of up to $4,000, and a 20% iron bonus of up to $2,000. If you are a competitive trader, we highly recommend opening an account with IronFX because they love hosting trading competitions on a regular basis. IronFX's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2005. It comes with a variety of premium quality built-in analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and so much more. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution: basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. IronFX also provides a proprietary copy trading platform called Trade Copier, which allows you to follow the strategies of top-performing traders using your desktop, mobile device, or tablet. All you need to do is register as either a strategy follower or a strategy provider, and if you are following strategies, simply choose a trader to follow from the leaderboard and fund your account. Once your account is funded and you've chosen your strategy provider, your trades will automatically follow theirs. Trading this way is a great way to learn how to trade, or to free up some time if you have a busy lifestyle. In addition to the MetaTrader tools and CopyTrader, IronFX also provides an updated economic calendar with real-time financial events and indicators, and you can also enhance your trading experience with currency converters, pip calculators, margin calculators, and profit calculators. There are 7 accounts that you can open with IronFX. The accounts are categorized into 4 live accounts with fixed spreads and 3 STP ECN accounts. All of the live accounts can be converted to swap-free accounts, and 3 of those accounts are entirely commission-free. The STP ECN accounts offer the lowest spreads, and 2 of the STP ECN accounts are also commission-free. The standard, premium, and VIP live accounts allow a maximum leverage of 1 to 1,000, and the spreads on these accounts range from 1.4 to 1.8 pips for floating spreads, and 1.6 to 2.2 pips for fixed spreads. The Live Zero fixed spread account allows only 1 to 500 ratio for leverage. However, the spreads on this account are fixed to 0 pips. The standard and premium live accounts can be funded using up to 8 base currencies. The Live Zero fixed spread account accepts both US dollars and euros, and the VIP account only accepts US dollars. The STP ECN accounts and the Live Zero fixed spread account can be used only to trade Forex, metals, indices, and commodities. However, if you would like to trade futures and shares as well, then we recommend opening a standard, premium, or VIP fixed spread account. If you would like to practice trading first, or test new tools and strategies you are thinking of using, then we would recommend opening a demo account, which will allow you to trade using virtual currency in an entirely risk-free market environment. All the live fixed spread accounts can be converted to Islamic swap-free accounts if your religious beliefs prohibit you from paying interest or rollover fees on your trades. Creating an account with IronFX may take up to 24 hours, but the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the IronFX homepage, and then click on the Register button. What you'll want to do next is complete the online application form, then verify your account and email address. Next, you can log into the client portal, and once your account has been set up and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. After your account has been set up and is ready, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with IronFX. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platform, you can find a wide variety of MetaTrader educational content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you with understanding the basics of platform functionality. IronFX also provides a variety of introductory tutorial videos that cover the basics of the platform to help you get started. With regards to educational resources and research material, IronFX provides plenty of detailed, beginner-friendly guides that will teach you about the basics of trading and what it is all about, how to use trading strategies, all the trading concepts and terminology you should know, and much more. There are also guides for intermediate to professional traders, and as mentioned before, you can watch the videos provided to learn more about reading charts, technical analysis, as well as using the platforms and tools. They also provide weekly forecasts, daily insights and financial news. And as an IronFX client, you will also have access to Trading Central, which is a popular trading platform that provides future and historical research data, analysis, trading ideas, and educational content. In addition to the videos, news, and data provided, you can also tune in and listen to their podcast channel, or join the webinars hosted by IronFX's trading experts. Over the years IronFX has been in operation, they have won more than 40 prestigious international awards. And some of their most recent awards include the Most Outstanding Online Trading Partners Program in 2022 by Global Excellence Awards, the Most Outstanding Online Trading Partners Program by AI Global Media Limited, the Best Online Currency Trading Platform of the Year, the Forex Operator of the Year by ACQ5, and many, many more. Overall, IronFX is one of our most trusted, top-rated beginner-friendly Forex brokers. They have been around for many years, and they have over 1 million clients worldwide, with trading licenses from top-tier industry regulators. If you are trading for the first time, or you are interested in copy trading, IronFX is a fantastic option for you. However, we also recommend IronFX for anyone seeking low-risk, low-cost trading accounts with tight spreads and no commission fees. If you are interested, be sure to open your IronFX account today to claim your trading bonuses for a boost in your trading career. And that is our overview of IronFX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.